We started strong and we stayed strong. Early on, we had strength in energy stocks as oil was on the verge of breaking out into the $60, $61 range. But then very quickly, we started moving up and then sort of blasted off about a half an hour ago. So this is a very broad rally, 5-to-1 advancing to declining stocks. That's good numbers, and a lot of volume going to stocks that are on the upside. It's a positive indicator. All 10 sectors of the S&P were up. We were led initially by energy, but now many sectors are up more than 1%. Take a look at the S&P 500. As I mentioned, we started in the up mode and really just blasted off around 1110, 1112. You see that move vertical there? That's when we got word that Angela Merkel was interested in some kind of deal with Greece. Not just the U.S. took off, but Europe took off as well. Very strong close over there. Take a look at Germany, and you can see an even more pronounced little blip over there about 11:10 Eastern time. Remember, the German market's closing about 15, 20 minutes ago. So that was the big news on the day here. But elsewhere, broad rallies here, but particularly in financials. We have many new 52-week highs today in the regional banks. So Huntington, Key Corp, BB&T, PNC Financial, many of the other names that are out there, Zion, for example, are at 52-week highs. These are not just moving up 1%. These are new 52-week highs. A lot of the big banks, the money center banks, also are hitting 52-week highs as well. Citigroup's at 52-week highs, so is Goldman. Wells Fargo is. Morgan Stanley also at a 52-week high. Interest rate sensitive stocks, interestingly, have had a very tough time. We noted many of them are in correction territory. REITs are down 10% from their highs, but not today. Even though 10-year yields are moving up, they are not being, the interest rate sensitive sectors are not getting hit, and that's an indication of the overall strength of the market right now. I'll tell you what is missing here, John and Carl. What's missing is the volume. Right now we're at 11:30, 11:45. Only 300 million shares still on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. We need to do a little bit better than that. But other than that little complaint, this is one of the broadest rallies we have seen in many weeks.